The Musculoskeletal Biomechanics Research Facility at Cardiff University is a patient-based facility with a full suite of integrated equipment and staff dedicated to researching biomechanics and musculoskeletal health. Traditionally, human movement laboratories use motion capture, which track markers on the skin, which may not reflect the true movement of the bones. This is where our bespoke dual-plane video X-ray system offers a transformative advantage. Custom-built specifically for in vivo research, it captures high-speed, high-precision X-ray videos from two angles, allowing us to track how bones or implants move in real time during activities of daily living. We combine these X-ray images with personalized 3D models of the bones generated from MRI or CT. This unique equipment allows us to better understand the effects of disease, injury, and aging, and evaluate the interventions used to treat them. We can use these outputs to validate computational modeling techniques, link with biological signals, and provide the highest fidelity biomechanics analysis. This information is invaluable not only for researchers like myself, but can help inform design of new implants, treatment pathways, and rehabilitation programs. We're working on a range of projects including understanding lumbar spine kinematics and investigating changes before and after total knee replacement. We collaborate with both clinical and industry partners to ensure our research has a lasting impact and ultimately benefits patients in the future.